Welcome back to another computer sluggish video. Have you subscribed to our YouTube channel yet? If not, be sure to click on the big red subscribe button and click on the bell to get notified when we upload a new video.
In today's video, I will be showing you how to disable a program from automatically starting up when you log into Windows 10. Sometimes when you do install a certain app or program, it will automatically be added to the list where it will start up as soon as you boot Windows 10. So this can actually slow down your PC. So if you are noticing that when you're logging in it is taking a bit of time, then this would be a great thing for you to do. If you do have any antivirus software or firewall protection that is actually there and it's booting up as soon as you log into Windows, then I would recommend keeping that to boot up with Windows, as you want your PC protected as soon as you turn it on. So to do this, all you need to do is go down to your taskbar and right click. You now need to go onto Task Manager, and you now need to select the Startup tab on the top here. So you will now be able to choose which programs or apps that you want to start up with Windows. If it says enabled, that means they will automatically start when you log in. So for example, the Xbox app services, if I want to stop this from launching straight away, you just right click and go disable. And as you can see, it now says disabled. Again, with the Windows terminal, that says disabled, so that's absolutely fine. But if you go to your phone, if I right click and go disable, again, this will now not launch automatically. If you did want to enable something, you would just right click and click enable. So if you do install a new program on your PC, it might just be worth checking here on your task manager if it's automatically booting with Windows, and if you don't want to slow down your PC and you don't need it straight away, then just go ahead and disable it. But that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video did help. If it did, hit the like button below and subscribe.